Be blessed by the divine. How to control your thoughts during meditation. First and foremost, control of thoughts is not possible. You cannot control your thoughts. You can only calm your mind. You can only understand your thoughts. I'll give you a story. It is a story of a king who wanted his balding head to be cured. He called all the doctors, asked them to cure him. Nobody could. He sent every doctor to the prison. Finally, one saint appeared in front of him and said, "Dear king, I will help cure your balding head. But one condition. I will not give you any medicine. You have to wake up at 6 in the morning, stand in front of the mirror, look at your balding head, but do not think of dancing monkeys." Now that seemed like a very simple process for the king. He woke up in the morning, stood in front of the mirror, looked at his balding head, and what do you think came for him in his mind? That's right, dancing monkeys. And he repeated that the next day. Once again, he got dancing monkeys. Third day, he thought of dancing monkeys. Every day was a torture for him. He went and fell at the feet of the Guru and the saint and told him, "Now this is not possible. Please give me any other medicine and I will try and certainly want to get my balding head cured." The saint told him, "Dear king, look, you cannot even control your own mind. How are you going to control the balding head? There is no cure for balding head known to human. Therefore, please forget about making your hair grow again in your balding head. Release all the doctors. Your kingdom is suffering from disease. There is an epidemic waiting to break out. And please learn to relax yourself, because obviously you start looking very, very good and very wise with your balding head, and your subjects will not mind you." But that led him to another problem. The king said, "Look, I don't mind releasing all the doctors, and I have no problem with my balding head. Thank you so much for opening my eyes into this. But then I have another problem. How do I control my mind? Why is it that when I stand in front of the mirror, I think of dancing monkeys, and those monkeys are not disturbing me in my mind every other time?" I said, "Okay, come." He called him to his hermitage, called one of his disciples and told him, "Okay, bring a pot." He asked the king to go look into the pot and tell him what is inside the pot. The king religiously went there, looked into the pot and said, "No, there is nothing inside this pot." He called his disciple and said, "Can you look into the pot and tell me what is inside?" And the disciple went and looked into it and said, "Guruji, there is air inside the pot." "Aha! Please give me one more chance, Guruji. I will certainly prove my knowledge and prove my strength of mind, and just give me another test," told the king. The Guruji told, "Okay, I'll give you another test. Now remove the air from the pot and bring the pot to me." The king was stumped. The disciple this time took the pot, put it under a tap, opened the tap, filled the pot with water, brought the pot back to the Guruji. What happened to the air? The air went away. And the Guruji explained to the king, "See, look, and this is the secret of control of your mind." The king didn't understand even an iota of what was going on. He asked the Guruji to explain. Guruji said, "Look, you cannot control your mind. The more you try to control your mind, the more it will work or act like the dancing monkeys. The moment you understand it, it will relax. It is like a child. It's like a child that is trying to put a tantrum. The moment you try to understand the reason behind the tantrum, the child will relax. Likewise, your mind will also relax. You cannot remove a thought. You cannot remove air from a pot. You can only replace air with water. Likewise, you can replace one thought with another thought. And that can only be done with the power of alpha level of brain frequency, which is achieved very easily using our Sahasrara Kundalini meditation taught to us by our Sky Yoga system of Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. So when you meditate at your Ajna Chakra, your brain will function between alpha and beta, that is between 8 and 13 cycles per second and above 13 cycles per second. Now, when you start meditating at the Sahasrara Duriya Chakra, the brain frequency comes down and remains stable at the alpha level of frequency between 8 and 13 cycles per second, and that is usually called the sleep with dream state. But in the Sky Yoga system, you are able to remain alert, awake, conscious at the alpha level of frequency. Now, when you remain alert and conscious at the alpha level of frequency, we teach you how to superimpose your unwanted, unnecessary, harmful, pain-giving thoughts with pain-free, harmless, calm, peaceful, and productive thoughts for the world and for yourself. And you use that method to superimpose your old thoughts with new thoughts, and that will help you concentrate better on your meditation. Besides these introspection techniques, we also teach you the simplified physical exercises which trains your body, calms your mind, energizes every cell of your body, so that when you sit down and meditate, your body cooperates with you. Body has a significant impact on the effect of or the functioning of your mind. Therefore, learn the Sky Yoga system, which comprises of the simplified physical exercises, simplified Kundalini Yoga, introspection exercises, and the world's perhaps most wonderful and the easiest Kayakalpa Yoga, which transmutes sexual energy into spiritual energy. Visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com. Be blessed by the divine.